Greetings, Santa Rosa Online social media students. This is Ms. Lauermore again with another weekly video. We start by going to our class website at heyheypaula.org, and then we click on the social media tab at the top. That brings us to our class page that has all of our video content on it. This weekly video will go right here when we're done with it, when I'm done with it in a few minutes. Just wanted to draw your attention. I have an example of a 4.03 completed infographic. So that's a link. You can click on that and look at it if you still need that. And then here is a sample of a 4.05 words of wisdom letter, which is what we're about to talk about. So basically what we want to look at is tomorrow is December 7th. So that tells us that we should be on week 15 this coming week, December 7th through the 11th, and we need to do 4.05. All right, so we go up here to our class and we want to look at 4.05. So we go to the top and we click on lessons, and it should bring us to where we want to go to milestone 4, lesson 5. And I just want to remind everybody, make sure that you're not skipping around. That makes everything more complicated. You just be following step by step, okay? All right, so that brings us to milestone 4, lesson 5, page 1. You're going to read that whole page right there. And then when you've done that, you'll go up here and we're going to click on page 2. Page 2 tells you that it's time to book your final DBA. And your DBA for 4.05 is going to come from a letter that you're about to do, a letter of advice. You're going to be writing a paragraph answering each one of these questions. Okay, and then there's a sample letter. If you go to the next page up here, this is what yours should look like. So don't be turning in a letter with one paragraph. Yours should look exactly like this one. See, it says example letter of advice 4.05. And so yours is going to look just like this, but with your information, you're going to write a paragraph answering each one of the questions on the page that we just looked at. I would please spell check it. I'm an English teacher, and you're a high school student. I want to make sure that you're being prepared for the future. So you need to follow all standard writing procedure, capitalizing appropriately, appropriate punctuation, make sure that you're putting sentences together correctly and things like that. Okay, so that's the letter of advice. If we go up here to the next page, page 4, here is the grading rubric. It's a link. So if you'd like to see how this letter will be graded, click right there. And then the example letter, that's a link to the letter we just looked at, showing you exactly how to do it. Okay, so let's take a look at the grade book so you can see where it's going to go. And so we are doing 4.05 words of wisdom letter. That's what this week is, okay? Then you can go ahead and book your final DBA. And then all that's left is your final exam. If you are a full-time student with Santa Rosa Online Academy, we need to do the collaboration, and I'll be telling you about that after the holidays. If you're a part-time student, meaning you belong to an area high school, Milton High School, Gulf Breeze, Pace, Navarre, any of the high schools, Jay, Central, you are not required to do the collaboration, and I've already exempted you from it. You'll see an EX right there, meaning you don't have to do it. If you don't have an EX there, that means you're a full-time Santa Rosa Online student and collaborations are required. And I'll be getting with you about that soon. Okay, so back to our class website. We are almost done with this class, so hang in there. If you'd like to finish early, I'd be happy to help you with that. And then we could just be done. So I'm just a text away. And remember, you can reach me at, let's go to the home page here. Here's the our home page of our class. And this is all of our info. You can reach me here at any of the, at this number. You can make an appointment with me. Just let me know how I can help you, okay? Have a great week. Bye.